Hello students, today we are going to learn about a garden of words, page number 15. Let's start. Here is given a chart and in this chart there is given so many words. So it is called a garden of words. म्हणजे जसा फुलांचा बगीचा असतो तसा हा शब्दांचा बगीचा आहे. Make cards of all these words like this: dream, people, market. You make cards 8 by 4 centimeter like this and write all words on that cards. Try to read all these cards and you can make reading practice with the help of these cards. Now we read all these words one by one. Always, before, better, bought, butter, buy, carrying, churn. Churn means घुसळणे. Creamy, does, dream. Dream means स्वप्न. Dreaming, even, ever, flew, from, gently, get, golden, held, high, just, no, lost, make, market, milk, money, mood, much, nice, past, people, pot, prize, rich, roll, sell, should, show, swapped, spilled, surprise, tasty, thick, toss, tossed, wait, where, your. Like this you read all these words one by one and practice at home. Now we see the activities on these words. Let's see. The first activity is given. Listen carefully and tick off the words in your table. There is given some words: always, churn, dreaming, gently, market, nice, prize, should, soft, surprise, and toss. And we should tick here all these words. Let's see one by one. First word is always. So where is always? Here is always. Second word is churn. Here is churn. Churn means घुसळणे. Dreaming. Here is dreaming. Gently. Here is gently. Market. Where is market? Here is market. Nice. Where is nice? Here is nice. Prize. Where is prize? Prize. Should. Here is should. Then soft. Here is soft. Soft. Surprise. Here is surprise. So we can tick here. Then toss. Where is toss? Toss. Like this you tick here with right sign or circle or rectangle. This is choice of yours. Now we see next activity. The second activity is given. Find words that end with ing and d. First we see the words end with ing. Let's start. If we see here is carrying, end with ing. So we can tick here carrying. Then here dreaming. The words end with ing. So we can tick here dreaming. Then next, no one is here, end with ing, only two words. Then next words end with d. Let's see. No one is here, end with d. Here is mood, then rolled, then should, then spilled, then tossed. Like this you find all these words end with D. Now we see next activity. The next activity is given. You can use some of the words to give an order. Find at least 3 of them. Example, buy. Which words we use to give order? Like this, buy. Buy means विकत घ्या. Stand up, sit down. These words used to give orders. So if we see here, here is given buy is already given here, so we can tick here. Then let's find which words we use to give order. Churn. Churn means घुसळणे. So we can give order. So we can tick here. Churn. After that, sell. Vika. We can give order. Sell. Then next, show. We can give order. Show. दाखवा. So we can tick here. Then toss. We can give order. Toss. Then next, wait. Thamba. We can give order. So we can tick here. Wait. Then next, we can give order. Wear. Wear means परिधान करने. So we can give order. Wear. Like this, find all the words which we can use to give order. Now see next activity. The fourth activity is given there. Find the smaller words in these words. Here is given 4 words and we should find small words on it. First we see does. In does there are 2 small words, do and do. Do means करणे and do means हरिण किंवा सशाची मादी. Then next word creamy. We can find here cream, my, etc. Let's see cream and my. Then next word carrying. See here there are 3 words in the big word car, carry, carry and in. Then last word golden. We can make words here go, gold. So write here go, gold and old. Old. Old means juna. So there is 3 words in the golden word. Like this you try to make many meaningful words here. The next activity, use the letters in these words to make other words. Dreaming, market, surprise. Here is given one example. Bought. In word bought, there we can make small words here. But, hut, hot, tub, etc. Like this we should make here small words from these given words. Let's see. First word dreaming. We can make red, R-E-D, red. Then E-A-R, ear. M-E, me. Here you can change order. Mine, M-I-N-E, mine. A-R-M, arm. Then I-N, in. Then R-I-N-G, ring. Like this. Second words, small words. Market. We can make small word M-A-R-K, mark. Mark means चिन्ह. Then M-A-T, mat. Mat means चटाई. Then next M-A-K-E, make. Make means बनवणे. Then R-A-T, rat. Then T-A-K-E, take. Then A-R-T, art. Like this. Let's see third word surprise. S-U-P-E-R, super. Then P-U-R-S-E, purse. Is, I-S, is. Is means आहे. Then U-P, up. Then R-I-S-E. Like this you can make many meaningful words. there is given some examples. You write all these activities in your notebook and show your teacher. I think you enjoy all these activities. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.